In this video, I am going to show you change language on your Android keyboard. So let's get started. First, take your phone, then open any search or messages area where your keyboard is appear. After your keyboard appear, you can look at the keyboard toolbar section. Here, you can try to find the settings gear icon. If you found them, simply tap on it to open the keyboard page. Once you are in the keyboard settings page, at the very top, located the language option, click to open it. Here you can find the add keyboard option, simply click on it. Then you can see all of the languages listed there. Select any language if you want to add. For example, I am add this Elude language, simply select it. Then you can also adjust the option if you like. Once everything is okay, tap on the done button at the bottom. And you have successfully done. To check it work, simply go back to the messages or text area field. Here your keyboard is appear. Simply tap on hold the option, then select the newly selected language. For example, I am select this Elude language, and this time you are done. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Take care guys.